Also on the agenda, though, those 13F filings that are due today. They reveal big position moves for some of the world's biggest investors. And joining us right now for a little whale watching is Leslie Picker. What are you seeing, Leslie?
Hey, good morning, Becky. Yeah, this evening marks the deadline for funds to disclose their long equity holdings for the second quarter, but we've already seen a slew of filings out last Friday. Among the more interesting moves, Coatue clearly quite bullish on the vaccine prospects, quadrupling a stake in BioNTech while quintupling a stake in Moderna. Now, those holdings that were disclosed were as of June 30th, but if they remained unchanged, and that's a big if, of course, Coatue would have netted about $500 million on its Moderna position alone in just the last 6 weeks, thanks to the recent run-up in the stock. Seth Klarman's Baupost also filed on Friday, boosting stakes in Facebook and Micron to hold roughly $500 million in each of those names at quarter end. Starboard, Soros, Trian, and Icon also filing on Friday, disclosing little in the way of major moves during the quarter, but just broadly speaking, it's clear that many of these hedge funds have been taking money off the SPAC table, paring back shares, units, and warrants in a wide variety of special purpose acquisition companies. It was during Q2 that the SEC updated guidance on SPACs, causing a steep slowdown in issuance and broad decline in performance during that time. We'll see more filings throughout the day and night today, including one from Berkshire Hathaway. These positions are as of the end of June. They may have changed in the 6 weeks since, guys.
Yeah, lots happened in the last 6 weeks, too. But what's interesting is probably, Leslie, just seeing if anybody has pulled back. It doesn't sound like there's a lot of pullbacks, more like people looking for places to put additional funds, which has kind of been the mood of the markets.
Yeah, and that was something that's been a theme for Berkshire Hathaway, just broadly speaking this year. I think they sold about $5 billion worth of equities, $4 billion of which were sold during the first quarter of the year. So we're looking for kind of where that additional $1 billion in equities was sold in terms of net sales for them. But yeah, that was definitely a theme during the first quarter. I would expect that to continue this quarter as well.
Leslie, thank you. Great.